¿Dónde está el puerco? And you come up and get it. Muy bien. Now dime. I was going to wait, but go ahead. Always the aplauso is good. Dime, ¿cómo es el puerco?
Es redondo.
Redondo y qué.
Tiene la nariz chata.
Muy bien. Ahora dime, ¿el puerco, te gustan los puercos?
Sí, claro.
¿Tienes un puerco en tu casa?
No.
¿No?
No.
¿No tienes un puerco en tu dormitorio?
No.
¿No te gustaría tener un puerco contigo en tu casa? ¿Qué te gusta? ¿Por qué te gustan los puercos entonces?
Jamón.
Jamón, lechón, asado, tocino. Okay, so basically this is the point where just for a few little seconds you want to take it out of context and introduce new vocabulary that's more conversational, that brings in humor, that maybe recalls a book that you read, integrates other disciplines, maybe where you've talked about the vocabulary word in social studies or in the lectura. And so what we're trying to do is develop those critical thinking skills and see if you obviously successfully achieve this version, which is you're able to respond to questions and spontaneously answer. That's the next version, the last version.